Hello everyone, welcome to channel Tech Geek Mayur. Today we will learn about Python language. So first thing comes to know is a Python. What is Python? You might be thinking of Python is a big reptile, okay, but it is not like this. Python, this language, it is a language, okay. The language is named after the BBC show Monty Python's Flying Circus and has nothing to do with the reptiles, okay. So the Python is what? What is Python? Python is nothing but a programming language, first of all. What is programming language? We know all about it. We do some programming to perform some kind of particular task to get done with the help of machine. So that's what purpose we do programming and with the help of programming languages. So Python is a interpreted high-level object-oriented language. So what it means? Python is a interpreted language which can save you a considerable time during program development because no compilation and linking is necessary. The interpreter can be used interactively, which makes it easy to experiment with features of the language, to write throwaway programs or to test functions during bottom-up program development. Python enables program to be written compactly and readably. Programs written in Python are typically much shorter than equivalent C, C++ or Java programs for several reasons. One of them is the high-level data types allows you to express complex operations in a single statement. Another one is statement grouping is done by indentation instead of being beginning and ending brackets like we did in a C, C++ and Java language. And another one is there is a feature of wide, so means readable, is about no variable or argument declaration are necessary, so which make it more readable. Python language was developed by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant white space. Means it will not give any errors if you have some spaces between variables and values and so it's notable to use our significant white spaces because there are some indentation will be there to make it structure proper working. Now where we can use this Python language, as we knowing and we have listened from our colleagues and peers about the machine learning. Python is mostly used in a machine learning. It is also used in a GUI to create graphical user interface. Python language is used in a software development to create different kind of softwares, enterprise level software or any kind of standalone softwares. We can use Python language for that purpose. One of the most demanding feature means one of the most demanding application development is the web application development. So we can use Python there also. Or we can use the frameworks of Pythons like Django and Flask for this kind of web application development. Python is easy to learn and that's why it is mostly used by data scientists. Yeah, this is what the reason behind data scientists and lots of machine learning developers are going towards the Python language because it's having some lots of libraries and rich set of library, we can say that. Our APIs are there to deal with this machine learning and the data science applications. So this is what all about Python language. This was just the introduction about what is Python. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. So see you in the next video. Till that point, goodbye.